Anand. Anand Ranganathan, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर, ऑपरेशन महादेव और प्रॉब्लम, भारत का नाम भी प्रॉब्लम है.
No, good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. I entirely agree with the problem. Left to the Congress, they would gladly rename our military operation as Lashkar-e-Tahrir, Hizbul al-Asifa, Shabab al-Asaif, Jaish-e-Barq, which would be ironic because then for once would the Congress be supportive of our military.
What's wrong in Urdu language?
Look, it once again proves that nations weaken not because of their past but rather by how they are taught it. It is another matter, Navika, that the name of the mountain under which the terrorists were holden is Mahadev. But because the Congress is objecting to the naming with the thought that it was done for religious reasons, Hindutva reasons, it is this neurosis that I must rebut. Har Har Mahadev was the battle cry not only of the revered Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's army, it is also the battle cry of the Maratha light infantry. That this ancient civilization is a Hindu civilization should not be seen as a matter of shame or regret, but instead as a matter of pride. Our overarching philosophy is the Indian philosophy, which is the Hindu philosophy. And Hindu philosophy is not a religious, monolithic, dogmatic philosophy, but an incredibly rich, all questioning, all encompassing.
That is what it is becoming.
One. The Hindu-phobic Congress leaders objecting to Hindu naming of
that
operations.
That is what it has become.
Nehru was
and that is what this government is trying to make
He was smeared with vibhuti as well. And both he and the president entered the parliament after a Hindu ceremony that involved chanting of mantras. And what adorns our tricolour in the middle? The Dharma Chakra of King Ashoka. And what drawing adorns the pages of Constitution of India is Lord Rama and Lakshmana with Goddess Sita returning to Ayodhya.
Why don't you read
and
the
what is our
context of the
Supreme Court
Constitution
motto?
first? These are symbols.
Where there is dharma,
these are symbols. This is not the law.
Uttered by Gandhari to Duryodhana in the Hindu scripture Mahabharata.
आप संविधान
पढ़िए. going to now dispense with our flag, burn our constitution, bulldoze our Supreme Court.
These are just
Most
symbols
of our hallowed
symbols and
symbols. Great institutions, Navika, are derived from Hindu scriptures, including Vishwa Bharati and the Indian Navy. Most of our battle cries of our army invoke Hindu gods and goddesses, including Gurkha Regiment, Jai Maa Kali, Ayo Gurkali, Dogra Regiment, Jwala Mata ki Jai, Bihar Regiment, Jai Bajrang Bali, Rajputana Rifles, Raja Ramchandra ki Jai, Assam Regiment, Durga Mata ki Jai, Garhwal Rifles, Badri Vishal ki Jai. Quote, Lord Shiva danced the universe into existence. He motivates it and he will eventually extinguish it, unquote. This is not a plaque outside BJP headquarters, but an inscription inside the Nataraja statue at CERN, European Organization of Nuclear Research, Switzerland.
Well, Vivek Srivastava, do you want us to call you Zhu Li? Because you're Chinese? You change your name. If you do not like anything of Indian origin, then please change your name. Gaurav Bhatia. Vivek Srivastava का नाम विवेक श्रीवास्तव क्यों है?
मैडम, ये सिर्फ सिंबल्स गिनाए गए हैं. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के कंटेंट पे बात करिए, जो सेकुलर है. And the government cannot promote one religion, one culture, or one संस्कृति.
Maybe Vivek Bhai can educate us, all of us. Vivek Bhai is a very learned man. When Anand Bhai was speaking, he named all the possible names that the Congress could have given to this operation. He left out Ghazwa-e-Hind. If it was for the Congress and the left, they would have called the operation Ghazwa-e-Hind. But Vivek Bhai, you have a problem with the names Operation Sindoor, Operation Mahadev. Do you know what India has a problem with? I will tell you. Your manifesto said India should destroy its nuclear weapon. We have a problem with that, problem number one. Problem number two, your manifesto in the 2024 election said restore talks with Pakistan. We have a serious problem with that. And we also have a problem when you say closer ties with China. And fourth, we have a real problem when you say Article 370 would be restored. This is your manifesto. I am not quoting outside the manifesto. And Vivek Bhai, for the Constitution. As Anand Bhai rightly said, there is a depiction of Lord Rama and other gods and goddesses also. On the original scripture, our Constitution of India,
there are other photos also.
The Supreme Court has said, the Supreme Court, Hindutva is a way of life. So our secularism is a positive secularism, which is inclusive, but our traditions are rich, and we take pride in the fact that our history goes back 5,000 years. So you don't have to feel sad about it and adopt the, malpractices of other religions. Stand with India. Don't destroy our nuclear weapons, and don't destroy your party also by saying...
This is why they've become irrelevant. The left parties have become irrelevant because of these kind of positions that they've taken.